Did you know that in 2025, over 28% of US teens say their dream job is running an online store? Shopify has just crossed over 2 million active merchants, and half of them are using AI tools to boost sales. And small dropshipping stores, well, they're now averaging around 2 to 12K per month in revenue, but only if they follow the right steps. Starting a store in 2025 has never been easier or cheaper. In fact, you can literally launch one for just $1 a month for 3 months if you click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about apps that actually help you make sales. Because here's the truth. Shopify is powerful on its own, but with the right apps, it turns into a full-blown sales machine. The problem? There are thousands of apps in the Shopify App Store, and a lot of them are bloated, overpriced, or just plain unnecessary when you're starting out. So I've narrowed it down to 5 of the best free apps that will save you time, increase conversions, and help you build real momentum. App number 1. So what's the fastest way to build trust? Social proof. Judge Me helps you collect and show product reviews with photos. The free version handles everything from auto emailing customer reviews and displaying them on your site. If you're dropshipping trending TikTok products, this one's a no-brainer. By the way, if you are finding value, drop us a big like. App number 2. Imagine walking into a store, having a question, and no one's there. That's what your customers feel without live chat. Shopify Inbox gives you real-time chat on desktop and mobile right from your Shopify dashboard. You can even automate replies with AI or hook it up to a Smith OS agent to handle questions like, where's my order? Do you ship to Canada? This can literally cut your abandoned carts in half. App number 3. If you're dropshipping, you need an app like DS's. Here's why. It's the official AliExpress partner. It lets you import products with one click, bulk, fulfill orders, and auto-sync inventory. The free plan is stacked with everything you need to get started. And if you pair it with tools like Kalo Data to find viral products, DS's handles the rest. App number 4. Shopify Email. No need for Klaviyo or MailChimp just yet. Shopify Email gives you 10,000 free emails per month. It's perfect for abandoned cart recovery, promo blasts, or announcing product drops. And it's already integrated with your store. All you do is just start here, and then you upgrade later if you want fancier automations. I will have a larger list of useful apps linked in the description as a free download if you'd like to check that out as well. App number 5. Now, if you want to sell eBooks, AI prompts, templates, or online courses, this app handles it all. You upload the file, attach it to a product, and it auto delivers after checkout. You can even use an AI agent to generate, format, and upload your digital products for you. So you set it up once and you've got passive content machine. Now, as a bonus, apps that you want to avoid as a beginner: if apps cost $30 plus per month but only do one small thing, add widgets that slow down your site, requiring complex funnels when you're not getting any traffic yet, that may be a bit of a red flag. Start lean. You don't need 20 apps, just a few essential tools, reviews, chat, email, and automation, and you're in a solid place to get started. Now, if this helped out, be sure to give the video a massive like and check the description for free downloads and tools to help you level up like crazy. And if you're wondering what other apps you might need as you grow, go and watch this next video right here where we cover paid apps worth investing in once you start scaling. I'll see you in